I don't tend to do many unboxing videos, but when this box arrived, I just thought it would be a really good idea to open it on camera because, believe it or not, this tiny little box actually has a whole entire pushchair inside it. Got my knife. I'm just going to cut the box open, cut the tape, and see what's in the box. So here we go. What came out of that little box is the Jovikids Ayla stroller. A really nice little buggy that folds up almost by itself. I'm going to put it all together now and show you what it can do. And this is what came out of the box. So you've got the pushchair frame with the seat already attached, and then a few plastic bags that I think I know what's inside each one. This is the bumper bar. These are the back wheels, the front wheels, the basket that goes underneath, car seat adapters, a cup holder, a rain cover. This will be the front edge of the hood, and a foot muff. So now I'm going to put it all together. I'm not going to bore you with that. I will show you the finished result in a minute. Earlier I said this was a shopping basket, but now that I've put it all together, it has a shopping basket already. So this is a surprise. I don't know what this is. I'm going to just open the bag and see what comes out. So, oh, I think this is the storage bag. There you go. When you take this on holiday, you can actually, and I will do that at the end of the video, put the whole buggy in a backpack. So here it is, all set up. It's lovely. It glides along really nicely, and it's very, very small, so very easy to maneuver around shops, take on holiday, that kind of stuff. It's got swivel wheels at the front. The two back wheels are a bit bigger and a bit closer together because that helps with the compact fold. You've got a nice canopy here with a little window so that you can see your little one when you're pushing, and also to give them a little bit more air. There was a cup holder somewhere. Ah, over there, bear with me. So the cup holder attaches here so that you can enjoy a bottle of water or whatever while you're walking. The seat has a 5-point harness and it reclines all the way back so that the seat is suitable from birth. The buckle is magnetic, so you put the two pieces together, they click shut with the magnet, and then the buckle goes on top of those two pieces, like that. And to open it, there are two bits on the side that you pinch together. Take the top off again, and take apart those two halves of magnet. I'll take the foot muff off. It also attaches on the side with Velcro, but I'm just being a bit lazy. But when you use it properly, the Velcro should also be attached. And the leg rest has multiple positions. So for a little one, you'd have it up and then it can go into different positions as your baby grows. And when they're older, you have it all the way down and then their feet can go on here. It goes up to 22 kilos, which is actually never going to happen because a 22-kilo child is on average 6.5 years old. But it just means that you don't need to worry when they get to a certain age and you're not sure if the buggy is still strong enough, because it is. It will be absolutely fine. So there's a big basket underneath. Let me just show you that from down there. So you can put your bits and bobs in there. And the only thing left now that I haven't unpacked is the rain cover. I'm going to leave that for now. I would like to show you how to fold this buggy, which is amazing. I've only done it once before, so it may go horribly wrong because I haven't seen it for a while, but here we go. The first thing you need to do is put the brake on. It just makes it a bit easier and a bit less wobbly. And then on here, there is a lever that you pull to the left, and then a big button underneath that you squeeze, and then you lean the handle forward, and then it just folds by itself. You can tuck the footrest away a bit more just to make it take up less room, and you can also remove the bumper bar, so it's really, really small. And as I showed you at the beginning, and I didn't quite know what it was, but I do now, it also comes with its own backpack. So when it's folded up like this, you can put it in the backpack and carry it on your back. And then there's one little bag left, and in this one there are the car seat adapters. So let's take them out of the bag. And they attach to the buggy where the bumper bar is. So I'll just remove the bar just by pressing the buttons on the side, and then the car seat adapters click into the same holes that the bumper bar came out of. So they just click in, one here and one here. And then the Jovikids Ayla car seat can click straight onto the Ayla stroller. So you just let the adapters go into the holes here in the bottom at the base of the carry handle. One there, you've heard it click. And now you're ready to go. Now, although this is a matching set, they're both Jovikids. I happen to have a beige stroller and a grey car seat, but you can buy the car seat in the same colour as the stroller if you prefer a matching pair. And to remove the car seat from the stroller, there are buttons here behind the carry handle on both sides. You press them both at once, and then you can just lift the car seat off the stroller. Because the car seat adapters are universal, it is possible to mix and match the Ayla stroller with many different car seats, not just the Jovikids Aria. So as an example, I have fitted the Avionaut Cosmo on the Ayla. And just because it's so cool, I'm just going to fold it one more time before I say goodbye. So very simply, let it go down and it folds by itself. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please let me know. The stroller and the car seat are available for sale on my website, and you'll find the links in the description below.